Hello, Soumya. Good afternoon.
Good
How are
afternoon.
you?
I'm good.
So, I am giving with the assignment, individual assignment. There, I have to take an interview on the topic attention to mental health and well-being among the youth of India. So, I'm going to ask you some question, and if you are not comfortable answering it, you can skip the question. So, starting with the question, what kind of mental health or emotional stress have you experienced since joining the PDDM program?
I feel like this MBA is very subject heavy and like syllabus heavy.
Okay.
And the first term was very chill. I felt it went smoothly, but the second term I feel the pressure is building.
Okay. So, what are the major source of stress for you? I mean, academics, placement, finance, or the financial problems or the family expectations.
Academic finances family is fine. There's
Okay.
no pressure. I would like to point out one thing: the social pressure. My peers getting placed, getting good SIPs, and obviously the ultimate goal is the placement.
Yeah. So, how do competition or the pressure performance or the comparison with peers affect your mental health issues?
Very much it does affects, as one of my classmates got placed in BNY. That was a setback for me. I felt like why my resume was not selected, but yes, I overcame that, and now I'm here.
Okay. So, have you ever felt anxious, overwhelmed, or emotionally distressed during the course? I mean, while presenting or academic?
Sure. I do feel that sometimes there is a dead end. I reach a dead end, and then my thinking capacity is not working. Like what should I do? Then I rely on my friends. They suggest me what to do. I rely on my father. He
Okay.
suggests me.
So, what are the coping mechanisms or you usually deal with the stress?
I usually gym a lot.
Okay.
That is one of my stress busters. And watching YouTube videos, mostly podcasts and all.
Okay.
That's
So, are you aware of any mental health support provided by the, institute?
I got to know about some counselor visiting here on Wednesdays.
Yeah, Wednesdays and Fridays.
Yes, that I know.
So, have you or your peers ever approached a counselor or a faculty members for the mental health
Not
support?
that I know of. No
Okay.
one.
So, what role do peer group or batchmates are playing in helping you cope with the stress?
They play a very big role, as sometimes when I'm stressed or crying over the marks or the projects that I didn't get good marks, so they are there to cheer me up in those situations.
So, what do you think? What prevents students from openly discussing the mental health issues?
What prevents them?
Yeah.
I feel like they mostly us Gen Zs they are actually discussing, but some of them are introverts and they feel like they would be judged
Yeah.
on those parameters.
So, do you think stigma or fear of judgment affect the help seeking behavior among the students?
Sorry, I couldn't get that.
I mean, the fear of judgment is that affects that if you are trying to getting help from someone, but the fear of judgment that what people should think.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. So, are there challenges related to lack of time awareness or affordability in mental health services?
Yeah, that's also a barrier. There are mental health supporting apps too, but obviously they charge a fee, and there are therapists available, but yes, they also charge quite a bit heavy fee.
Yeah. So, do academic schedule or evaluation system leave enough space for mental well-being?
I feel like if you manage your time in a good manner, if you have a systematic schedule, you manage your day, then yes, you can accommodate a little space for the mental well-being. It depends on the person.
So, who do you think is more responsible for supporting the student's mental health? I mean, the student itself, or the family, or the mentor?
The first will be the student itself, and then would be the family. If the family feels like the child is going through something, then yes, they should address it.
Okay. So, what role should business school play in promoting mental well-being?
Yeah, it does play. I feel like providing a counselor in the campus is a good way of promoting mental well-being among the students, and also I feel like organizing workshop activities and fun activities, that's also good way.
Can you suggest one or two activities that can be, I mean, you can, if you were there, you can suggest to the colleges to provide?
Any fun activity which inculcates peer learning, or I feel like the sports events that happen in our college, and there was recently Gravity.
Yeah.
This event was also really good, and all the events that are happening in our college, they inculcate peer learning, and we engage with, we know new students, our batchmates.
So how can peer and student committee contribute to healthier mental environment on campus?
I feel like the committees and clubs in our college, they organize events, and that does play a good role in the mental health issues.
So are you participating in these events, like the Sukoon committee had done one event like SCON and all?
Yes, I did participate.
Okay. So what role should society, employer or policy maker plays in addressing youth mental health issues?
It does. Employers, I feel like corporate world is really stressful, and a good employer does identifies that if any of the employee is going through any stress, so they should empathize with them.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you.
time.